Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn English Garden of Word. So listen and repeat. Set, rat, bat, mat, hat, cat, fat, dad. Ball, fall, call. Sun, run, fun, cup, jug, mug. Leap, sip, nip, ship, chip, dip, fit, kit, sit, wit, hit, beat. Red, bed, late, set, shed. Tail, man. Scene, king, teen, bean, name, see, be, fee. Read, sit, hit, cheat, cheap, beat, head. Dog, fog, log, doll, comb, bomb. Got, hot, not. Okay, so got it? Now it's the time of homework. So today's homework is write each word twice. Okay, student?